You think most fails come from the tricky reversing or scary dual carriageway overtakes. Nope. Some people fail for reasons so daft you couldn't make them up. Let's count down the top 5 silliest fails I've seen. I'm Patrick Biel, your HGV instructor with over 20 years in the cab and thousands of students coached through their tests. I drop daily tips to help you pass first time and avoid daft mistakes. Hit subscribe and like the video so you don't end up on my next silly fail list. Number 5, forgetting the seatbelt. Sounds impossible, right? But nerves make people do strange things. One student was so focused on starting smoothly, he forgot the most basic thing. Examiner didn't even let him leave the yard. Test over in 30 seconds. Number 4, handbrake mishaps. Rolling backwards at lights or on a hill because the handbrake wasn't applied correctly. Instant examiner panic. I had a student who did this twice. Once at a zebra crossing. The examiner's face went white. That was the end of the test. Mirror blindness. Missing mirrors before pulling away. Examiners note this every single time. One candidate looked left, right, left at the junction but never touched his mirrors. The examiner clocked it instantly and marked a serious. Stalling and losing it. Stalling itself isn't a fail. What matters is how you recover. One student stalled 3 times at the same set of lights. He took a breath, restarted smoothly, carried on and passed. Another lad stalled once, panicked, slapped the wheel, swore, and that was it. Same stall, different response. And number 1, overconfidence. My favorite. One guy swaggered in the cab. Patrick, I'm a natural driver. I will smash this. First roundabout, straight on without even glancing. Car braked hard. Examiner braked harder. Test ended in 90 seconds. Confidence is good. Cockiness, not so much. These silly mistakes are exactly the kind of things we laugh about and fix in Zoom test prep. Because once you've heard the stories, you're 10 times less likely to make the same mistakes yourself. So don't let daft things cost you your license. Seatbelt, handbrake, mirrors, composure and safe confidence. Nail those and you'll already avoid half the silly fails out there. I'm Patrick Biel, dropping daily HGV training tips. Subscribe now, and if you want to bulletproof yourself against silly mistakes, give me a call about Zoom prep. It could save you a retest. Drive safe.